Okay, now we discuss the solution of differential equations in MATLAB. The first code is you will type simst dsolve, and inside the parenthesis you will write inside the double quotation marks, okay, d2y, which means that it is second order differential equation, plus y is equal to cos, inside the parenthesis you will write 2t, 2 static t means 2 multiplied by t. So after pressing the enter button, you will get the required solution of differential equation. Okay, you can write it just like simplify answer, means the answer that you will get that answer in simplified form. Also you can get that answer in pretty, inside the parenthesis you will write ons. Okay, let me check it in MATLAB how this code works in MATLAB. Similarly, simst and dsolve, inside the double quotation mark you will write d2y plus y is equal to cos, and this is 2t. okay, and after pressing the enter button you will get this solution, and you can see that this solution is not in simplified form. You will just type over here simplify, and inside the parenthesis you will write ons. After pressing the enter button you will get the simplified answer. So this is simplified answer. You can also get the pretty answer. So you will type pretty, inside the parenthesis you will type ons. So this is your pretty answer. Okay, now we take another code. This is a same code, not a different code, but here we are taking the initial conditions. Initial conditions are dy at 0 is equal to 0 and y at 0 is equal to 1. Okay, the same code is, and we will now check that how this code work in MATLAB with the initial conditions. Okay, so just like dsolve, and inside the parenthesis there will be two, or you can say double quotation mark, and inside the double quotation mark you will type d2y plus y is equal to cos 2t, and now you will type dy at 0 is equal to 0. Yes, this is initial condition, and y at 0 is equal to 1. Yes, press the enter button, you will get the required answer. Okay, simplify answer means that your answer will be simplified answer. Okay, so this is your simplified answers with initial conditions. Remember that this answer is with initial conditions. Okay, so this is your pretty answer. Okay, now solution of differential equations with another code. This is another code. In this code you will type f is equal to at the rate, inside the parenthesis t comma y minus y plus 2t, 2 multiplied by t, and tf is equal to 2, y naught is equal to 1. Inside the square bracket you will write ty is equal to odd 45. Remember that this is odd 45, not quad 45. And inside the parenthesis you will write f comma 0 tf, and 0 tf will be in the square brackets, comma y0, y naught, plot t comma y, and x label, y label you will just type as. You can check this code clearly. Okay, now we see that how this code work in MATLAB. Okay, let f is equal to at the rate t comma y minus y plus 2 multiplied by t. The same code you can paste over here. Okay, I will upload all the images, and from that images you can copy, and after copying you can paste in your MATLAB software, and then you can check that either this code work or not. If this code work, then what you get. Okay, so I am writing the same code that I have described in the previous slide. So this is t is equal to odd 45. Okay, so it is f comma, yes, here I will type 0 TF, and now we'll write y naught y0 in semicolons, plot. Inside the parenthesis you will write t comma y semicolon, and x label. Inside the parenthesis with the double quotation marks you will write t, and y label. Okay, y label inside the parenthesis you will write with a double quotation mark y of t. Yes, this is y of t. And now semicolon. Yes, after gray down. Now run this code, and when we will run this code you will get this answer. Okay, so since we write plot, so this is your plotting. Okay, the required plotting of this code. Okay, t and y of t. Okay, horizontal and vertical. We take another code. In this code, since y of x dy is equal to differential of y comma x, fun is equal to differential of y x2 is equal to cos 2x minus y, solve is equal to dsolve. Inside the parenthesis you will write fun. Simplify answer and pretty answer is the same. Okay, so this is the code. Now we type this code or copy or paste in the MATLAB, and we check that what is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, here we are writing the sims y of x, and now you will type dy, just like dy is equal to differential of y comma x, and yes, no, it is y x only. Okay, y comma x, remember that this is y comma x, not yx label. Okay, yes, fun is equal to differential. Okay, I will make it correct in the next. Fun is equal to differential y comma x comma 2, the same code we are typing over here that we have studied in the previous slide. Is equal to 2 times you will write equal cos, and inside the parenthesis you will write 2x, 2 multiplied by x. Yes, and now you can solve is equal to dsolve inside the function, simplified function. So this is your required answer. Another code for Laplace transfer. Okay, so this is sims t and Laplace of 10 plus 2t plus 5 sine 4t. Pretty answer. Yeah, of course, it is very simple code. Okay, you can see that you will just type Laplace, and inside the parenthesis you will write the given functions that that you want to find the Laplace of that Laplace. Okay, so 10 plus 2t plus 5 sine 4t is the required functions on which you want to find the Laplace. Okay, now we check that how this code work in MATLAB. Okay, you can copy or paste in MATLAB, or you can type just like sims yes, t and Laplace. Yes, you will type over here the same code, 10 plus it will be 2t. Yes, 10 plus 2 multiplied by t plus sine, it is sine, it is 5 sine, 5 multiplied by sine, sorry, 5 multiplied by sine 4t. Yes, and after that press the enter button, and you can find the solution. Okay, so this is the solutions, but before seeing the solution you will write pretty answer. Okay, and now press the enter button. Now we check that what is the answer. Okay, so this is your answer and code. Okay, now we will change it, and now we find the inverse Laplace. So this is the code for the inverse Laplace. You will type sims x I Laplace. I Laplace means that inverse Laplace of 6 divided by x plus 2s divided by s square plus 16 minus 4 divided by s square. You will type d solve inside the parenthesis. You will write dy is equal to 1 plus y square, okay, and y at 0 is equal to 1. So this is your initial condition. Okay, the same code we will type over here to find the inverse Laplace. Sims as, okay, I Laplace, inverse Laplace, just like 6 divided by s, and so 6 divided by s plus, you will type over here the same code that we have studied in the previous slide, 2s divided by s square plus 16. So this should be written inside the parenthesis. Yes, okay. Now the remaining part of this question is inside the parenthesis. You will write, okay, so this is your answer after typing the, okay. So d solve is just like, again we are taking another differential equations to check the solution of this differential equation dy. So it means that dy is equal to 1 plus y, first order differential equation, okay, and you will type d solve, okay, dy again, sorry, 1 plus y, and then you will type y square, 1 plus y square, okay, dy is equal to 1 plus y square, and with initial condition at y at 0 and y, yes, this is your required answer. Okay, so this is the code of another differential equation, the solution of another differential equations with the initial conditions. Okay, now we'll take another differential equation, d solve inside the parenthesis, inside the double quotation mark you'll write d2y plus 3d, 3 multiplied by dy, and plus 2 plus 2y is, yes, is equal to 10. Okay, very simple. You will just dy, initial condition, dy at 0 is equal to 5 and y at 0 is equal to 0. So after pressing the enter button, this is your required answer.